Hi there, my name is Kent Westland, and this very brief presentation is intended to touch on some of the frequently asked questions that you might have about Level 2 of the Chartered Financial Analyst exam. So let's get into it. These are the topics that I wanted to touch on today. What's the difference between Level 2 and Level 1? What's the format of the Level 2 exam? How long is the Level 2 exam? What subjects are tested on the Level 2 exam? What are the Level 2 topic weights? And what are the dates for Level 2 of the CFA exam? So, first question, what is the difference between Level 2 and Level 1 of the CFA exam? Level 1 tests the basics of investment valuation. Most of you have probably already taken the sat for the Level 1 exam since you're watching this video. Level 2 begins to test your ability to put that understanding and knowledge to more of a practical use. And generally, you should expect the Level 2 exam to test your knowledge in more depth than at Level 1. What's the format of the Level 2 CFA exam? It's a multiple choice exam like Level 1 was. The exam consists of 2 equal length sessions, and then each of those 2 sessions consists of 11 item sets each. Each item set begins with a vignette, which is a little story that contains some numbers and some information. And then following each of the vignettes are 4 related sub-questions. So an individual item set will look a little bit something like that. We can visualize an item set as looking something like this. So like I said, it will the item set will begin with a vignette, which is a block of text, a few paragraphs of text, and then it'll have question 1 multiple choice, question 2 multiple choice question 3, question 4. So each of these 4 multiple choice questions will be asking you about this vignette. So you'll need to go back to the vignette and find the information that you'll need to answer each of those 4 multiple choice questions. How long is Level 2 of the CFA exam? So we said that there's 2 sessions per exam, 11 item sets per session, and 4 sub-questions per item set. We can do that math and come up with 88 sub-questions on the entire Level 2 exam. CFA Institute allocates 3 minutes for you to do each of those sub-questions. So when we do those that math, we come up with a total exam time of 4 hours and 24 minutes. But one thing that I should say to you is that there is an optional break between session 1 and session 2 of up to 30 minutes. And in addition to that, before you start writing the exam for the day, before you go to your terminal, there's a little bit of administrative work that you need to do at the test center. So you should really plan between 5 and 6 hours of time for your entire exam day experience. Next question, what subjects are tested on Level 2? So we got quant, which is hypothesis testing and similar. We got economics, which is currencies and global trade. We got financial statement analysis, which some candidates like to call accounting. We got corporate issuers, which is formerly corporate finance. We got equity valuations, which is valuing stocks. Fixed income, which is valuing bonds and similar instruments. We got derivatives, which is puts and calls and maybe some more exotic stuff as well. We got alternative investments, which is hedge funds and real estate. Portfolio management, which is combining the various assets into the same account. And then we've got ethics. What are the topic weights for Level 2? CFA Institute has standardized things a little bit. There's 10 different topics at Level 2, and each of those topics is weighted either 5 to 10% or 10 to 15%. 5 of the 10 topics are at that higher weight, so you may want to put a little bit more focus on those particular topics. The 5 that are of the 10 to 15% weight are financial statement analysis, equity valuation, fixed income, portfolio management, and then also ethics. So those 5 are weighted at 10 to 15%, and the other 5 topics are slightly smaller topics weighted at 5 to 10%. And then the final thing that we wanted to address for today is what is the date for Level 2 of the CFA exam. So CFA Institute is currently offering the Level 2 exam 3 times a year. So it depends a little bit on when you're watching this video, but if you're, for example, interested in sitting for the Level 2 exam in 2024, there are 3 possible possible exam windows. There's a May 2024 exam window, August 2024, and a November 2024 exam window. So you can also find more information on the Schweser website or on the CFA Institute website. So that is everything that I wanted to talk to you about. Those are the highlights, things that you should know about the CFA Level 2 exam. So happy studying and best of luck on your exam.